Best Sports Cars for 2024 Chevrolet Camaro. In the fast-paced world of high-performance automobiles, few names evoke the same level of excitement and reverence as the Chevrolet Camaro. As enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the iconic American muscle car stands tall among the competition, reaffirming its status as one of the best sports cars of the year. The 2024 Chevrolet Camaro arrives with a potent blend of power, style, and innovation, building upon decades of automotive excellence to deliver an exhilarating driving experience like no other. From its muscular exterior design to its thrilling performance capabilities, every aspect of the Camaro is engineered to ignite the senses and leave a lasting impression on drivers and onlookers alike. Under the hood, the 2024 Camaro offers a range of powerful engine options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder, V6, and V8 variants, each delivering impressive levels of horsepower and torque. Whether opting for the heart-pounding acceleration of the V8-powered SS model or the balanced performance of the turbocharged 4-cylinder, drivers can expect blistering speeds and adrenaline-pumping thrills behind the wheel of the Camaro. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The 2024 Chevrolet Camaro also excels in the corners, thanks to its agile handling and precise steering. Whether tearing up the track or carving through winding mountain roads, the Camaro offers a level of dynamic performance that's sure to satisfy even the most discerning driving enthusiasts. Inside the cabin, the Camaro welcomes occupants with a driver-centric design and an array of modern amenities and technology features. From premium materials and comfortable seating to advanced infotainment systems and driver assistance technologies, every detail is carefully crafted to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel connected and in control at all times. As one of the best sports cars for 2024, the Chevrolet Camaro continues to set the standard for performance and style in the automotive industry. Its legendary heritage, combined with its relentless pursuit of innovation, ensures that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand nothing but the best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro stands out as a true icon, an embodiment of American muscle and automotive excellence. With its unmatched combination of power, performance, and personality, it continues to inspire passion and excitement among drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best sports cars of 2024 and beyond.